Welcome to Real Life English. Today's video is about taking a taxi. You will learn useful English for a real taxi ride. Let's get started.
Hi, are you Emma?
Yes, that's me.
Great. Please get in.
Thank you.
You can put your bag on the seat beside you.
Thanks, I'll keep it with me.
No problem.
Is this the right car?
Yes, this is the car you ordered.
Good, I just wanted to check.
That's smart. It is always good to check the car and the driver.
Yes, especially when I'm in a new place.
Of course.
Thanks for picking me up.
You're welcome.
Pickup means the place where I get into the car, right?
Exactly. The pickup point is where the ride starts.
That's useful.
And the drop-off point is where the ride ends.
Pickup and drop off. I'll remember that.
Good.
Your car is very clean.
Thank you. I try to keep it clean.
I appreciate that.
Is the temperature okay?
Yes, it's comfortable.
Would you like the window open?
No, thank you. It's fine.
All right. Where are you headed today?
Can you take me downtown?
Sure.
Here's the address.
Thank you. I'll put it into the GPS.
What does GPS mean?
GPS is the system that helps drivers find directions.
So it shows the way on the map?
Exactly.
That makes sense.
The GPS says it will take about 25 minutes.
That's okay. I'm not in a big hurry.
Good to know.
Should I wear my seatbelt?
Yes, please. It is safer.
Of course.
All set?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. Let's get going.
So you're going to Market Street, downtown?
Yes, that's right.
Is it near the shopping center?
Yes, it's close to the shopping center.
Okay, I know the area.
Great. I've only been there once.
No problem. I'll take you there.
Thank you.
By the way, destination means the place you're going.
So my destination is Market Street,
Exactly.
and pickup is where I got into the car.
Right.
Then drop-off is where I get out.
Yes, you got it.
Those words are very useful for taxis.
They are also useful for rideshare apps.
Rideshare app?
A rideshare app lets you order a ride on your phone.
Like a taxi, but with an app.
Exactly.
Do people usually say taxi or ride?
Both are common. You can say, I'm taking a taxi, or I'm taking a ride.
Good to know.
If you are using an app, you can say, my driver is here.
My driver is here. That sounds natural.
Yes.
What should I say if I want to check the address?
You can say, can you confirm the address?
Can you confirm the address?
That is perfect.
Understanding. Confirm means to check if something is correct.
Exactly.
Then I can also say, can you confirm the destination?
Yes, that is natural too.
Great. I feel more comfortable already.
That's good.
Have you been driving for a long time?
About 8 years.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes, I've met a lot of people.
I bet.
The GPS says we'll arrive in about 25 minutes.
That's not bad.
Traffic looks okay right now.
Good.
Is traffic always this busy?
Usually around this time.
I see.
It's called rush hour.
Rush hour?
Yes, rush hour is the busy time when many people go to work or go home.
That makes sense.
There are more cars on the road.
I can see that.
But don't worry, we are still moving.
That's good.
Some days are much worse.
Really?
Yes, sometimes there is a traffic jam.
What's a traffic jam?
A traffic jam is when many cars are on the road and traffic moves very slowly.
So the cars almost stop.
Exactly.
That sounds stressful.
It can be.
Do you drive in traffic every day?
Yes, almost every day.
That must take a lot of patience.
It does, but I know the roads well.
That helps.
The road ahead looks a little slow.
Will we be late?
Not too late. Maybe 5 extra minutes.
That's fine.
If you ever need to ask about time, you can say, how long will it take?
How long will it take?
Yes, that sounds natural.
And if I'm worried, can I say, will we be late?
Yes, you can.
Good.
You can also ask, is there a faster way?
Is there a faster way?
Exactly.
That sounds useful in traffic.
Very useful.
What about lane? I hear that word sometimes.
A lane is one part of the road for cars to drive in.
So this road has several lanes.
Yes, this road has 3 lanes.
I understand.
We are in the middle lane now.
Good to know.
Do you think there is a faster way today?
Maybe. Can you check the GPS?
Sure, I'll check it now.
Thank you.
The GPS shows another route.
Route means the way we go?
Yes, a route is the road or way to a place.
Another useful word.
You're learning a lot today.
I'm trying.
There's a little traffic ahead.
Oh,
I know a shortcut.
what's a shortcut?
A shortcut is a faster way to get somewhere.
So it saves time.
Exactly.
Would it change the fare?
Maybe a little, but not much.
Fare means the price of the ride, right?
Yes, the fare is the amount you pay for the ride.
Good to know.
Would you like me to take the shortcut?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll take the next turn.
Thank you.
We'll turn right here.
This street is much quieter.
Yes, fewer cars.
Do you use this shortcut often?
Sometimes. It depends on traffic.
It depends means it changes with the situation?
Exactly.
That phrase is useful too.
Very useful.
You seem to know the city very well.
After 8 years of driving, you learn many streets.
I guess so.
The shortcut is working.
Nice.
We saved a few minutes.
That's great.
If you need to ask for a different route, you can say, "Can we take another route?"
Can we take another route?
Yes.
And if I want the fastest way, I can say, please take the fastest route.
Exactly.
Please take the fastest route.
That sounds very natural.
Good.
But sometimes the fastest route is not the shortest route.
Really?
Yes, a short road can have heavy traffic.
That makes sense.
So the GPS helps us choose.
I'm glad you checked it.
No problem.
If I don't know the city, can I just say, please follow the GPS?
Yes, that is very common.
Please follow the GPS.
Good phrase.
I'll remember that one too. Actually, can we stop by a coffee shop?
Sure.
Thank you.
No problem.
I just want to grab a coffee.
There is a coffee shop on the corner.
Great.
Stop means to visit a place for a short time.
So if I say, can we stop by a coffee shop, it means a quick stop.
Exactly.
And grab a coffee means buy a coffee quickly?
Yes, grab something means get something quickly.
That's very common, right?
Very common.
Can you wait here for a few minutes?
Yes, I can wait.
Thank you. I'll be quick.
Take your time, but don't forget the car is waiting.
Of course.
I'll pull over near the coffee shop.
Pull over?
Pull over means move the car to the side of the road and stop.
Oh, I see.
Here we are. I'll wait here.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
No problem.
I'm back.
That was fast.
The line wasn't long.
Good.
Thanks for waiting.
You're welcome.
Is it okay to say thanks for waiting?
Yes, that sounds natural and polite.
Good.
Ready to continue?
Yes, let's go.
You got it.
How much longer will it take?
About 10 minutes from here.
That's perfect.
Traffic is much better on this road.
It really is.
We are getting close now.
Great.
We're almost there.
Great.
The building is on the right.
Yes, I see it.
Where would you like me to drop you off?
Could you drop me off near the entrance?
Sure.
Drop me off means let me get out of the car, right?
Yes, it means the driver stops and you get out.
Good to know.
This spot is okay.
Perfect.
We've arrived at your destination.
Thank you.
The fare is $22.
Okay.
Would you like to pay by card or cash?
I'll pay by card.
No problem.
Do I tap the card here?
Yes, please tap it on the card reader.
Card reader means the machine for card payment?
Exactly.
Okay, I'll tap my card.
It went through.
Great.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
A receipt is a record of your payment.
That is useful.
You can keep it for your records.
For my records means to keep it as information?
Exactly.
Good to know.
Do you have everything with you?
Let me check. Phone, bag, coffee, and wallet.
Great.
I have everything.
Good.
Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome.
You were very helpful.
I'm glad I could help.
Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Great job. Today, you learned useful English for taking a taxi. You practiced how to confirm the driver, give an address, talk about traffic, ask about a shortcut, make a quick stop, ask for a drop-off, pay the fare, and ask for a receipt. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations. See you next time.